Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to do a goat meat pepper fry or lamb pepper fry. This is a very good combination for bread or chapati or plain rice. It goes very well with as a side dish. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol and you will get notified whenever I post my videos. Let's get into the video. Take a pressure cooker or a pan. To this I've taken 1 kilo of this is goat meat. You can do this with lamb as well. It's the same. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. With this I'm using 1 tablespoon of rock salt. You can use normal salt also. Mix this. I didn't add any water. To this pepper fry, we are not going to add water. The water consistency is based on the meat. So we are going to cook for 5 minutes and then we will see how much moisture is going to come. Then we will decide whether to add water or not. I mixed it well. After 5 minutes, we will see how much moisture is came out. Then we will decide to add water or not. So this is cooking for nearly 5 minutes. We'll see how much water we have. We have so much. It released so much of moisture. So I'm not going to add any more water. I'm going to pressure cook this for 4 whistles. If you are cooking with lamb, just cook for 2 whistles. This is goat meat, so I'm going cooking for 4 whistles. To this pepper fry, I'm going to use shallots and the normal onion, the big onion. I don't have enough shallots, that's why I'm using both. If you are getting shallots, it's very good. You can use shallots. It gives more taste than normal onion. So try to use shallots or not. You can use normal onion also. The goat is cooked and I got little bit of water, like around 5 tablespoons of water. That will evaporate during the cooking process. 1 onion finely chopped, 10 shallots, 2 green chilies. Nalaitya?
ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದೆ.
Online class aipo.
நீங்க ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் பண்றீங்களா?
Commentல சொல்லுங்க சார்.
கமெண்ட்ல சொல்லுங்க.
To this we are going to do a dry roast masala, 3 tablespoons of peppercorns, 5 cardamom, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 10 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 5 cloves and 3 pieces of cinnamon. Take a pan, add all the spices. Dry roast these spices in a medium flame. When you feel the aroma, the roasted aroma, you can just turn off the flame and then we will grind this into a fine paste. The spices are roasted well. To this add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut or dry coconut. Just mix once, turn off the flame and grind this into a fine paste. Take the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add the shallots, the onion, green chilies, add some salt. Cook this till the onion translates into golden color. Just roasted well. Add the ground masala. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix all this together. The ghee has to separate, so you have to cook till that consistency. Let's check. It's cooked perfectly. Look at the masala. It's looking so good. To this, add the cooked meat. Mix it well. It has to combine with this masala. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together. It goes really well with ghee rice, plain rice, chapati, fulka. It goes very well with naan also. So I used 2 tablespoons of ghee to this recipe. To me this is more than enough. If you want the really that restaurant touch, you can add 2 tablespoons of oil also. It will float on top, but the taste will be remain same. So it's your choice. Cover this and cook for 5 more minutes on a medium flame. Let's check. Looking great. Look at the consistency.
The chicken pulao chicken pulao.
So mutton pepper fry is ready to serve. It's looking great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's taste it. I'm going to serve along with pulao.
Mutton pulao.
Yes. I cooked mutton pulao today, and I'm going to serve pepper fry along with this. It tastes so good. Try this once, then you will know the result. You will not go to restaurant again. You will cook at home only. Let's eat the pepper fry. Suda irukala idu. It's too hot. So mutton. It's too hot. Wait, like, yeah, okay. Super. The spicy is from our pepper only, but it's really tasty. Too good. Awesome.
You've never.
I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.